Well, there it is. That's the new guitar. That's what she looks like. Turned out quite nice. The finish I'm very pleased with. It see that little racing stripe there on the neck. Very nice finish. Mahogany back, mahogany sides. This is maple. It's curly maple. It doesn't show up very well on the film, but has kind of a little bit of a design to it. You can see right in here. Spruce top. Very nice spruce top, tight grain. Rosewood bridge, rosewood fretboard. And as you heard, pretty decent sound. So some of you have been asking to hear what it sounds like. And that's it. Pretty good, nice voice, mellow. Pretty bright. I'm pleased with it. I noticed that yesterday when I first fired it up, when I first started playing, it was a little woody sounding. It was stiff. This morning when I picked it up, it was a little better. There's a long-standing train of thought in the guitar industry by players and makers alike that the more a guitar is played, the better it sounds. They say that the wood begins to get used to vibrating in a certain way as it gains its voice. I don't know if all of that's actually true, but I do believe it sounded better today. So that's what it sounds like. I love coffee and I love tea. I love the Java, Java, and it loves me. Coffee and tea, the Java and me. A cup, oh boy. I love Java, sweet and hot. Oh, Mr. Moto, I'm a coffee pot. Shoot me the pot, and I'll pour me a shot. A cup, oh boy. Anyway, that's it. Very, very nice. Very pleased. Thanks for tuning in to all the photos, and many of you have asked to hear it, so here it is.